Hi friends, today we are visiting Shanti Stupa in Dhauli Giri, Bhubaneswar. Dhauli Giri is located in Dhaula Hills on the banks of the river Daya. It is 8 km far from south of Bhubaneswar, the capital of Orissa. This Santhi Stupa is one of the main attractions in Bhubaneswar. This is the place where India's greatest emperor Ashoka, who once known as Chanda Ashoka, had a change of heart and became Dharma Ashoka, whom we have honored in our memory as a symbol in our national flag and national emblem. It is believed that Dhauli Hills was the battlefield of the Kalinga War, which was between Magadha and Kalinga. It is known for one of the major and bloodiest battles in the history of the world. In the result of the bloodbath taken place in the Kalinga War, the water of the river Daya got red, making Ashoka understand the gloomiest side of the battle, turning him into the propagator of peace, ultimately turning him into a Buddhist king. Later, with his help, Dhauli became a major Buddhist center when he built several chaityas, stupas and pillars here. This grand peace pagoda or Shanti Stupa can be spotted on the hilltop. Constructed in 1972 by Japan Buddha Sangh and the Kalinga Nippon Buddha Sangh. The dome structure of the Santhi Stupa possesses 5 umbrellas and they symbolize the 5 essential paths of Buddhism. One has to climb many steps barefoot in order to reach to the stupa. One can spot the Buddha footprints as well as the Bodhi tree over the stone panels. From the top, entire city and the trails of Daya river can also be seen at a distance. There are 4 statues of Buddha in different postures on 4 sides of the stupa. One also spots the image of Ashoka, who keeps his sword of war in front of Lord Buddha, suggesting that he had given up the idea of war completely. Knowing our history and culture helps us build a sense of pride. It is such an amazing place and a must visit for all the history lovers. But sadly for elders, it may be a little difficult. While vehicles go up to a distance on the hills, yet a little climbing of steps is involved to go up to the hill. And again quite a number of further steps to visit the stupa. A number of shops including eateries are available here. Restrooms are also available before climbing the steps. If you are planning to visit this place in the afternoon, don't forget to see the light and sound show which takes place in the evening. So thank you guys for watching my video. If you like my videos, then please subscribe to my channel and stay cool. Bye. See you on my next video.